Yes. Currently, it's not. It's not because there's all these holes. It's like creating an agent. You have to very finely tune all the little things to get
Yeah.
the whole pipeline to go. And once it builds up enough knowledge to handle all these different types of trees, you just control from the trunk and everything will go.
Well, to Orson's point at the beginning of the podcast, we talked about specialization of certain AIs.
Specialization of prompting, maybe.
Well,
I
like for
you're
example, currently, you'll have Claude, who's really good at writing stuff but sucks at UI, and ChatGPT is a little bit better at UI, but then Gemini is really good at image
Yeah,
generation or
for
whatever.
now.
So
But don't you think they're just going to sort of merge in on abilities? I don't think there's going to be this, I think there's going to be a winner, is what I'm saying.
I
And the other
don't think we
ones.
want there to be a winner though.
I don't think we want there to be a winner. Also, I totally agree. That's
Like
scary.
we
That's a
want
lot of control.
we want the competition
Yeah.
because then it pushes the other competition to
And
compete. That's a lot of competition where
I
it's
I think what is going to prevent a quote winner of everything is going to be I guess, how do you say, control, monetization, and censorship, those sort of things. So the
yes.
more they say we have the power, now we're going to control you, people will be like, no, you're not. I'm going to go use DeepSeek or whatever, and yeah,
Feeding all the information to
that could get
China.
very political and all kinds of stuff. Who knows?
I have a question
Yeah.
for you then. Currently, big industries, they have credits that they can spend on pollution, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. Do you think AI companies will get to a point where the demand for resources to run all the data centers and everything, if obviously the government will probably take a ridiculous amount of time to catch up and to actually implement these kind of restrictions, but I could foresee AI companies being restricted on how much resources, like the planet's resources, to consume. You see where I'm going with this? Like,
Yeah.
They're going to space. That's how they plan to solve that.
Yeah,
So-
they did say that.
so okay, yeah, go to space, but then
So invest in SpaceX.
Not financial advice.
Yeah, remember, we are not the experts. We do not know what we're talking about.
like,
we-
subscribe,
and
and
we and we mean that. We not just say that. We mean that. And listen,
Yeah.
Bill says, yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, like, I guess the point why I say that is it may incentivize AI agents to specialize if they have a limited amount of computing
Oh, yeah.
hardware.
Yeah.
Like the big run on memory and electricity, all of these different things that the massive data centers, they may not be able to be really good at everything because it would just take too much resources.
To your exact point to that, in the earlier days, not too long ago, months ago, they had a version of, I guess, ChatGPT and Gemini that were pretty good. And then in the recent time, we're getting models that are coming out that have like emojis and you're doing good, and like they act like they're just kind of shallow. Like, I think they're nerfing things on purpose for that very reason, so they run lighter.
I wouldn't say they're nerfing things. I would say they're
Some filtering process.
restricting things.
Yes.
It's more of like, I wouldn't say censorship, even though that's kind of how it feels sometimes. Like if
Yeah.
I go to if I go to Claude Code and say, "Hey, I want to build a hacking tool," it goes, "Nope, can't help you with that. I can help you with something else." And I'm like, "But I want to understand." Like it makes it hard for Black Hat, but Black Hat's gonna figure it out anyway. But if a white hat wanted to, dive into like a theory behind it, it makes it hard to study at the same time.
To protect against the black hats.
Exactly. And the thing is, black hats are always ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Always.
For that
That's
exact
true.
reason.
Yeah.